In this video, I'll demonstrate a circuit containing an NPN transistor in Simulink, and I also show you the very characteristics curve of the transistor. Okay, I'm opening Simulink and then create model. For making a simple circuit containing NPN transistor, I'm browsing library, and then we have to go Simscape Foundation Library and electrical, and then electrical sources. We need to firstly we need DC current source. I'm taking an NPN transistor is present under Simscape, then electrical, and then semiconductor and converter. Here NPN bipolar transistor. Okay, then we need electrical reference and solver configuration block. Here for giving voltage across collector and emitter, we need control voltage source, and control voltage source is present under foundation library, then electrical sources and control voltage source. So okay, this is our preliminary circuit element, and I am connecting this, and this is C and this is E. Okay, for giving voltage across collector and emitter, I'm taking a ramp function. Ramp is present under sources, and then here is ramp function. Okay, and we need a current sensor for measuring IC current, collector current, and current sensor is under electrical sensor and current sensor. So okay, but here the output of ramp function is Simulink, and but here input of voltage control voltage source is physical signal. So we need a block Simulink PS converter, and this is present under Simscape, then utilities and Simulink PS converter. And here output of current sensor is physical signal, but we need Simulink signal. For that we need a PS Simulink converter. Now we are taking XY graph for observing the very characteristics curve, and this is present under sync, and then XY graph. And here I am taking output of ramp. This is our VCE, and this is IC. Okay, our circuit is okay. Now we have to put numerical values. I'm taking constant current source like as 0.06 ampere. Okay, and ramp function slope like 4, and initial output like I'm taking a negative value also. So okay, now I'm running this model. So our circuit is okay. So to observe wave shape into XY graph, we have to go on XY graph, and then this will get a window like this. Here IC and VC is present, and we have to put it on our graph. For that I'm taking VCE. Okay, this is our x-axis. Okay, and IC, this is our y-axis. So okay, this is our VC versus IC graph, and now if we want to zoom it, so this is the actual graph which on which IC is y-axis and VCE is x-axis. So this is the VI characteristics curve of NPN transistor. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our future videos.